Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen short wheelbase panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. This van is a used 20 plate approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a walk around the van. To the front of the van, you will notice it's fitted with halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre of the grille, you'll notice two nice chrome strips. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van, you will notice it's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up down the side of the van, you will notice it's fitted with heated power folding mirrors. Also, the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Moving away from the van, you will notice it's fitted with a near side sliding door. You will now notice that the sliding door is open. To the back of the front seats, you will notice a bulkhead. In the back of the load area, you'll notice that it is fully wood ply-lined, including the floor. At the back of the van, you will notice it's fitted with rear barn doors without windows. Across the rear bumper, you will also notice it's fitted with rear parking sensors. It's also fitted with standard rear lights. You'll also notice the transporter and VW emblem on the rear doors. I've now opened the rear barn doors so you can see inside the load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space. Also, the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. Across the floor, you'll notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Both doors come with release catches, and this is the advantage of the catch. This van looks stunning in deep black pearlescent paint. And now for a quick look inside the interior. This van is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. On both doors, you'll see some handy storage. Moving across the dash, you'll notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you'll notice a bulkhead. It's also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. As you can also notice, the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the working controls inside the cab and also the centre media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you'll notice mirror and electric window controls. Looking down here, you will notice automatic headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, it's got multimedia controls. To this side, you'll notice cruise control. This van has covered 16,847 miles. Here we have our 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with Wave technology. You'll also notice it's fitted with satellite navigation. As you can see, it's easy to use. Just pinch your fingers across the screen. You can also move the maps around to find your ideal location. Next, I'd like to show you the radio. It's fitted with FM and DAB radio. Next, we have App Connect. This is ideal for using your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone, e.g. music or maps. It is also fitted with Bluetooth technology for your phone. Moving away from the centre screen, you'll notice this van is fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter mornings. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the manual heat control switch. The next switch across is your 6-speed fan motor. The next switch across, you can change the heat direction if needed. Moving down to the cup holder, you will notice it's fitted with two USB-C charge ports. Here we have the DSG automatic gear stick. Now for a quick recap over the video. This is a Volkswagen short wheelbase panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it's also fitted with a DSG automatic gearbox. This is a used 20 plate van. For more information, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team. We're very happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the van. They'll also be able to arrange some finance quotes if needed. And thank you for watching.